How to enable and disable sound in Gunship Battle. First of all, open the game and wait until you reach the main screen. From here, look for the settings icon in the top middle, usually represented by a small gear symbol. Tap on it to access the game settings. Next, once you are inside the settings menu, you will find different options related to graphics, controls, and sound. Locate the sound section, which typically includes options for background music and sound effect. To disable the sound, simply toggle off or lower the volume for music and effects. If you want to re-enable the sound, just toggle them back on or increase the volume slider. It's worth noting that adjusting these sound settings will not affect your device's overall volume, only the in-game audio. This way, you can mute the game if you want to play quietly or turn the sound back on when you want a full experience of helicopters, gunfire, and battle effect. Finally, once you make your changes, exit the settings menu and continue playing. Your preferences will be saved automatically, so you don't need to repeat the process every time you open the game. Now you know how to enable and disable sound in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.